the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Pollo Guisado. That is a Puerto Rican chicken stew. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 chicken breasts, 3 potatoes diced, 3 carrots, which we are going to dice also. We're going to need a half a cup of olives, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. For this recipe, I like to use the Goya brand. 5 tablespoons of sofrito, and I also like to use recadito with that. We're going to need garlic powder, ground cumin, dry oregano, adobo. I'm using the adobo light seasoning. Gonna need ground black pepper, onion powder, 1/4 cup of olive oil. If you have canola oil, you can use that. And also 1 pack of sazon. Okay guys, I have all my seasonings measured out. I peeled and cut my potatoes. I cut the carrots. Now, what I did with my chicken breast, because they were kind of big, I cut them in half and then in chunks. So now you want to season your chicken breast first. I used half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, also a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of adobo light seasoning. So now all you're going to do is take your seasoning, put it over top of your chicken and mix it in. Make sure that your chicken is coated with all the seasoning. Now I have a pot heating on the stove. I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of olive oil in there. We're going to let that heat up. If you have canola oil, like I said earlier, you can use that. Once the oil has heated up, we're going to put our chicken in there to brown. Now that our oil has heated up, we're just going to put our chicken breast in there. And we're going to brown them for 4 to 5 minutes. Remember, we're not cooking them all the way through. We're just browning. Okay guys, remember we're browning 4 to 5 minutes on each side. I'm going to turn them over now. As you can see, the chicken breast is coming along nicely. And guys, I only use chicken breast because I don't care for the thighs or the drumsticks, but you're welcome to use that. Okay guys, once your chicken has browned 4 to 5 minutes on each side, we're going to add the 5 tablespoons of sofrito, and I'm also using recadito. And all we're going to do is mix that around and saute the chicken in it. Okay guys, once that's sauteed in for a couple minutes, it looks delicious already and it smells good. We're going to go ahead and add our sazon and also our tomato sauce. We're going to add 1 cup of water and a half, and we're going to mix that up. let that go ahead and cook up for a couple minutes. Okay guys, now we're going to add our carrots in. And guys, you're supposed to have a half a cup of olives, but I only had 3 left. I didn't realize it, so I'm just going to add them in. But you should have a half a cup to add in. And now all you're going to do is mix that up good. Now we're going to put our lid on for 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Guys, you want your chicken to be all the way covered, so I'm going to add about a half more cup of the water. I might make it another half a cup just to have enough coverage. Alright, that's perfect. As you can see, everything is covered up. So we're going to let that continue to boil for 10 minutes. Put your lid back on top. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the top. And our stew is coming along nice, as you can see. Now we're going to go ahead and add our potatoes in. I'm going to mix them in, and we're going to cook them for 10 minutes. I'm going to keep them boiling. Remember, 10 more minutes uncovered. That will thicken up your sauce. Okay guys, 10 minutes is up, and as you can see, the stew has thickened up. And it's done. Look over here. The carrots break, they're done. And also, you check your potato. It's done. Cooked all the way through. Trying to get a good view for you, but the steam is a lot. Here you go. Okay guys, here we have it. Pollo Guisado. This is Puerto Rican chicken stew. Next I'm going to plate it, and you usually eat it alongside of white rice. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. So until next time guys, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.